Welcome to Infomedia Updates. So we try to discuss about ring topology. Topologies are using to establish a proper network like local area network, metropolitan, wide area network. Ring topology. The shape of the topology is in ring shape. That's why we are calling it as ring topology. And all the systems are connected in series level in ring topology. So we have two types of connections. One is parallel, another one is series. In series level, if one system fails, then the total network get collapsed in series topology. So this is the major drawback. If one system fail or if one cable fail, then the total network get collapsed in the ring topology. Suppose in bus topology we are using the parallel topology. Parallel means if one cable or one system fail, then the only one system get fails. But in ring topology, if one system or one cable fails, then the total network get collapsed in the ring topology. So that is the major drawback. So this is the drawback, and the advantage is within the less cost we can establish these type of topology. So simply this is about ring topology. Thank you.